My name's Kavita. I am the instructor at AI business programs at ICOHS College, and I focus on helping students understand AI with imaging technologies. One of the biggest challenges is understanding these technologies and how they intersect with real world. So guiding students to not only understand AI, but also concepts and how do we apply them in daily life. So as an instructor, my role is to bridge that theory and practice together, and how we do it based on contexts such as operations, leadership, innovation, and problem solving. ICOHS was one of the first colleges that came up with AI programs, and what ICOHS did is that it designed AI program based on core business fundamentals and AI with imaging technologies, right? So students learn business principles and at same time strategy, management, analytics, and decision making. So also, it's very amazing part about the programs is you have a hands-on, right? The labs, the AI tools, you understand automation, you understand how AI is so data driven. So that's what ICOHS programs does for students. It's just not text where you go and read, oh, AI is this. It's about making sure you understand the strategy, you understand analytics, you are thinking automation, and also you are practicing on tools. The curriculum at ICOHS, right, we emphasize on both business, which is we always say why, and technology is how, right? So this is my business. How am I gonna make it prosper, right? AI is such a hype word, right? So with our students, what we are trying to do is, how are you reshaping the business concepts? How are you making decisions, delivering value? And the technology, why, right? That's where the AI piece comes in. So as business says how, then you use AI to answer that, right? How am I gonna do it? Why and how? So we understand that even non-technical leaders need ability to eval AI-driven insights. So we are driving our students, our programs are driving our students to understand that. And it also gives them a competitive edge right here at ICOHS, because this allows and prepares them to understand the realities, right? Something that we do, right? Our instructors at ICOHS, I'm a CTO, I work in AI, I'm delivering it, and I'm giving my students the practical ways to implement it. We have instructors who are just not book and theory driven. We are very practical instructors, and that's what we deliver with the program to our students. So the coursework is built around practical business scenarios and also case studies tools, right? Some of our classes are focused on like Power BI tools, right? So we are just not talking about those tools. We structure labs, and these labs are, by the way, built in-house. We spend a lot of time, our Dean of Academics, we spend a lot of time building these labs. And just a very basic example, right? But we make sure that our students practice analyzing data, right? How does that data help you understand that strategic decision? And we help them by understanding the tools, understanding AI concepts. So it's just not broken down into, these are the labs, get a certification. It's more about building confidence, applying what they learn, and not just memorizing things, right? It's just not check, next, done. It's concepts, strategizing, decision-making, analytics. So that's what we bring together in our lab work for students. I think for prospective students, I would say that these programs are designed for both supportive and empowering, right? When I say that, how we structure coursework is based on guided practice and instructor feedback. So it's just not, like I said, right? It's just not next, click. It's like students, we work with our students to build that skill step by step. It's not lost once you finish the coursework. And once again, right, the goal is not knowledge acquisition, right? That's part of, but confidence, right? Confidence in understanding AI, confidence in knowing AI tools, confidence in knowing how AI is building that strategic thinking, decision making, right? So with that, with empowering them with their skills, we also empower their confidence in their skill set, that they can go out in the world and understand how AI is being delivered. Why, business reasons with case studies and practical and analytics. So one thing we all do with our students is throughout their journey, we learn with them, we provide them feedback, and at the same time, we have a pace that we want them prepared for long-term success.